Hello everyone. I am Dr. Raksha Tate, pediatrician. Topic of today's video is MR vaccine versus MMR vaccine and which is better option. Before 2018 in India, only measles vaccine was being given to all the children at 9 months and 15 months at government health centers. But after that, measles vaccine was replaced by MR vaccine at government centers. The vaccine which contains measles and rubella vaccine in one vaccine is called MR vaccine. However, somewhere around 2005 onwards, instead of measles vaccine, MMR vaccine started being used by most private practitioners. MMR vaccine is the vaccine which gives protection from measles, mumps and rubella, three diseases, by taking one vaccine. Similarity between MR and MMR vaccine is that they both give us protection from measles and rubella diseases. But MR vaccine does not give us protection from mumps, which we get from MMR vaccine. Another difference is MMR vaccine as of now in 2021 is available only at private centers. So cost of this vaccine has to be borne by individuals. But MR vaccine at government center is free. As we said earlier, 2 doses of MR vaccine are given to children, but 3 doses of MMR vaccine is given by private practitioners at the age of 9 months, 15 months and at 5 years. From this discussion, you know that we are talking about need for giving mumps vaccine to children and everybody. So let us see why should we be protected from mumps and what this disease is. Mumps is a viral disease and infectious. So it spreads from one person to people who come in contact with the affected person. Mumps affects parotid salivary glands which are situated in neck below ears. Symptoms of disease mumps are swelling of one or both parotid salivary glands, so they are enlarged. There may be fever, headache, body ache and malaise. In most of them, disease is usually mild, but it doesn't always happen to be so. Every patient suffering from mumps is not lucky not to have complications. Some complications associated with mumps are infection of coverings of brain and brain itself, known as meningitis, encephalitis or meningoencephalitis. If organ pancreas is affected, it is called pancreatitis. If testicles are affected in adolescent male, then there is high risk of developing infertility when he grows up. In some cases, there can be permanent irreversible deafness. From the discussion so far, it is very well understood that we all should be protected from mumps. So what can be done is to give MMR vaccine to everybody or only mumps vaccine to those children who have received MR vaccine in the past. Now, such vaccine where only mumps is there in the vaccine is not available. So the only option which remains for those children who have received MR vaccine in the past is to receive MMR vaccine from private practitioners until MMR vaccine is available at government center. So you can go to your doctor and ask them about new timetable by which MMR vaccine should be received by your child. Who all should receive MMR vaccine? All the children as well as adults who have not received MMR vaccine anytime in the past and those who have never suffered from mumps anytime in the past. As those who have suffered from mumps get protected, lifelong protection from repeat infection from mumps, so they don't need to take MMR vaccine. MMR is a very safe vaccine with very mild side effects. So we all must protect ourselves by taking MMR vaccine. When large number of people take MMR vaccine, then we can avoid and prevent epidemics of mumps. I am concluding my video with a hope that in near future, MMR vaccine will replace MR vaccine at all government centers, so all children will receive free MMR vaccine in future. Thank you.